Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less YouTube. First, begin by understanding your current viewing habits. Most smartphones and computers offer built-in screen time tracking features that can show you exactly how many hours you spend on the platform each day or week. Pay close attention to these numbers. Also, identify the specific situations or emotions that trigger you to open the app, such as boredom or stress. Next, implement practical limits to curb your usage. Set a daily time limit for the YouTube application, perhaps starting with 1 hour and 30 minutes, and gradually reducing it. Crucially, disable the autoplay feature for videos in your settings to prevent endless scrolling. Additionally, take a few minutes to unsubscribe from any channels that no longer provide significant value or entertainment to you. To further reduce your YouTube consumption, change your digital and physical environment. Move the YouTube application icon off your device's home screen and into a less accessible folder. Actively plan and engage in alternative activities during times you would typically spend watching videos, like reading a book or going for a 20-minute walk. Consider using browser extensions that can block or limit access to the site. Finally, focus on maintaining these new habits for the long term. Regularly reflect on the positive benefits you are experiencing, such as increased productivity or better sleep. When you do choose to watch, practice mindful consumption by selecting specific content rather than aimlessly browsing. Consider seeking support from friends or an accountability partner to help you stay on track with your goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.